Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to freeze a column in Excel. So what you have to do is just go to an Excel sheet and let's say I want to column this first one and I want to freeze the first column, and I would go to view and click on freeze panes, and here click on the freeze first column. It will be freezed now. If I just put my cursor here you can see if I drag my cursor, then the first column will be freezed. So if we let's say I want to freeze this one to, okay, let's first unfreeze it. Okay, if I want to, let's say that I want to freeze these two columns, then what I will do is just click on freeze panes, freeze panes, and then as you can see it will be freezed. Put your cursor in it and click on freeze panes, and it will freeze the first panes, and you can unfreeze panes by clicking on the unfreeze panes. Let's do it again. Well, if we select this two and click on freeze panes, as you can see the whole thing will be freezed here. So this is how you can freeze multiple columns in Excel. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.